we're just going to do a bit of a recap. It is now Monday night, and fuck, Whangarei just pumped it up too. It's been fucking all going to give everybody because like team effort, man. Everyone's just putting their thing in and doing their little bit, and they're turning up, and it's pretty humbling. It's pretty cool to see that everyone's still out there and everyone's still got the love and the passion for it. Bring on fucking Auckland, bring on Hamilton. Like, come on, boys, it's on. We're coming for you. The band's still going sweetish. It's overfueling a bit, but as long as we're caning it, it's all good. As soon as we get a bit of traffic, that's a bit of a pig, but we can battle on. That's my fucking recap for tonight. Like today at the tin shop, boys are just ripping on the red. Oh, this 12A2O hedge blew my socks off. Awesome, just awesome. Yeah, good high caliber cars. Come from robberies to there to this. The awanui boys hanging up there. Like, it's just cool being up there, waking up there this morning. But yeah, so we've done 750k so far. So got further than I was predicting. But yeah, we'll definitely get some stuff posted. We're struggling to get stuff online just because we're having such a good time. And when we get home, or get wherever we're going, we're pretty crashing. But I'll get some snippets on there for you just so you know where we've been, just to give you a taste for it. Yep. See you guys soon. You know who you are.